We'll guide you through how to fix the touchpad or trackpad not responding in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is an annoying problem because you're trying to go and use it and it's not working. So we're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing in order to go and resolve this. Make sure you watch this full video and don't skip anything. Otherwise, you may go and miss one of the methods that go and solve the problem for you. So without any other further ado, let's go and get started. And also, just to be clear, we're going to guide you through fixes just with the keyboard. Because of course, I know the touchpad isn't working, so you can't click on much, which is a really annoying part of the problem, really. But we're going to guide you through fixes which don't involve using it. Don't worry. So to go and get started, what we need to do is come onto the keyboard and we need to go and press on the Windows key and I like so. This goes and opens up your settings. Now what you need to do is go and start pressing tab until this list is selected and use the downwards arrow key, and you need to go and have Bluetooth and devices selected, then press enter. Keep pressing tab until you have devices selected. Now use downwards arrow key and keep clicking until you have the touchpad selected and press enter. Now you need to make sure this is switched on. If it's off, the touchpad is going to be unresponsive. So to go and change that, you just go and press the space bar. And as you can see, it's now on. Now what you can also do is if we go and press tab, once you have that arrow selected, go and press enter, and you can go and press tab again. And make sure leave touchpad on when mouse is connected. Otherwise, if you've got a mouse connected, it won't go and work. So you can make sure that's switched on like so. See if that solves it. If it doesn't, what we're going to do is press Windows key and X like so, and this opens up. Now use the downwards arrow key until you go and have device manager selected. And what you want to do is go and press enter. This should go and open up, as you can see. Now what you need to do is you need to go and start pressing tab until it's in this list, and then you can press the downwards arrow key. Go down the list until you go and find the option for human interface devices. Press the right arrow key to expand it. Now what you need to do is you want to go and find the HID compliant touchpad. So press the downwards arrow key to have that selected and press enter. Now you can go and start pressing tab until general selected and use the right arrow key to select driver. Then what you want to do is you need to go and press tab until driver details is selected. That's just once there. Press it again to go and have update driver selected, and you need to go and press enter. Now what you want to do is you want to go and press the downwards arrow key to select browse my computer for drivers. You then want to go and press tab until you have let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer and press enter. And then what you want to do is go and press tab until you have HID compliant touchpad selected, and you can go and press enter on that, and then you can go and press enter again and go and see if it's working. Hopefully it is. If you still find that it isn't, then what you want to do is go and press tab until you have uninstall device selected. Press enter again to uninstall it, and it will then go and disappear. Now, what we can do is try reinstalling it. And to do that, we go and do a restart. So to do that without using the cursor, press the Windows Start key, then go and start pressing tab, and keep pressing it until you're going to have the power button selected and you want to press enter. Then you can go and use the downwards arrow key and keep going down until you have restart highlighted and selected. Press enter, and then it's going to go and begin restarting. And so then go and reinstall what you just went and uninstalled. And that will hopefully go and resolve the problem. It shouldn't go and take too much longer, hopefully. Shortly, you're going to go and see the boot screen. As you can see, Windows has now started. Now what you can do is you can go and sign in, and hopefully now your mouse and cursor is going to be responsive. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video for more.